One.
Good morning, Surreal Elementary. I hope you guys are doing great there at home. We miss you here at the school. Today, our word is patience, and that's exactly what all of us have been doing the last couple of months, and that is we've been patient. And it's ability to wait calmly. It's your ability to wait calmly. So thank all of you kiddos and parents for having patience with us as we learn how to reach you through social media. We're very proud of you for working so hard. Our patience will achieve more than our force, okay? You guys, hopefully you remember our creed. Let's do our creed very loudly for me this morning, okay? I am a winner. My destiny is in my hands. I will determine what I become. I will value others as unique individuals. I will encourage others and celebrate in their success. I will have respect for myself and others. I will set a good example. Education is my ticket to success, and it will give me power to achieve my goals. I am a student at Surreal Elementary. This is my time and my place. Hey guys, I miss you. I love you all. Be patient with us as we try to get your lockers cleaned out and your material to you. We're thinking about the awards assembly and how we might be doing that, or whether we'll be waiting until August. Kindergartners, you are going to walk. I don't know when. It may be the beginning of a new school year, but we're going to let you wear those caps and gowns and walk for mom and dad, okay? So be very patient with us as we try to figure everything out. We are going to provide you with a link to the chicken dance, and you can just punch on that link and go and do the chicken dance for me this morning. Last week they got us on copyright for playing the music online, so we're not going to do that today. But I miss you guys, and you guys go out and do that chicken dance. Get good and awake for me so you can learn. See you next week.